Little else can beat the fresh taste, variety, and cost savings that come with homegrown garlic. It's highly rewarding and easy to get an abundant crop. No wonder it's nearly ubiquitous in the home garden. However, during my first couple attempts, I struggled to harvest something worthwhile out of the time and valuable garden space I invested. I was mostly harvesting tiny bulbs of sadness and despair and was getting ready to give up growing it altogether. It turned out I was making one simple mistake, which, since correcting, has led to bulbs over 5 times larger. Starting last autumn, and nearly 1 year in the making now, I have run an experiment to showcase just how much of a difference it makes so you can avoid making the same mistake that I did. Will larger seed cloves result in a larger plant and harvest? To find out, I sacrificed eating the few large bulbs that I got last year, and I planted them instead. In the same location, and with identical soil and treatment, I also planted some of the bulbs of disappointment that I've become far too acquainted with. Come harvest time, the difference truly spoke for itself. Spoiler alert, the bigger cloves resulted in a dramatically larger garlic plant to an extent that surprised me. After pulling the garlic and removing the excess material, I popped them on the scale. On average, the bulbs which came from my small seed averaged a paltry 16 grams each. In comparison, the larger ones were 90 grams each, a result that was over 5 times larger. Really, it's all painfully intuitive. The problem I was running into was that during the previous harvests, it was especially hard to forego enjoying those couple good-sized heads that I grew. I was tending to favor replanting the small ones because they are a pain in the ass to cook with anyway, and more seed means more chance at growing better plants next year, right? And sure, that is true if you're a masochist, I guess. You will certainly get a lot of plants, but they will likely also be tiny and not worth your time. It turns out the reason for this difference is not genetics. My seed garlic all shared the same genes after all. It comes down to availability of nutrients for the young plants. The larger seed clove has more stored energy than a smaller one, which the young plant relies on when it first sprouts. The additional energy availability means it develops a more robust root system, which gives it better access to water uptake and nutrient availability once it starts to rely on the soil for this. It gets the early head start that keeps it accelerating through its life cycle. It was quite impressive to see how quickly an obvious difference appeared. The larger cloves poked out of the ground sooner than the small ones, and from that initial lead they continued to outpace. You could easily see the plants were 3 or 4 times as large as the season went on. I get it, it takes a lot of self-control to not devour those big juicy garlic heads come harvest time. But if you manage to resist the urge, it will pay you dividends next season and every other season to come. Happy gardening out there, folks. I will see you next time.